Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Schroeder here to give you another lesson in math. We are doing Chapter 1, Lesson 3, and we're going to learn how to count 4 and 5. For today, in your book, you will need pages 23 through 28. So make sure you ripped out pages 23 all the way to 28. You will need a pencil and one crayon. If you need to pause the video to go get that, go ahead, pause it, and come back. All right, let's get started. So today we're going to be learning how to count to 4 and 5. Well, let's just do a quick review. I'm going to use my connecting cubes and help me count. How many cubes do I have? 1. Good job. When we write number 1, what do we say again? Number 1, line down. Great job. Let's count how many cubes I have now. 1, 2. Well done. What do we say for number 2? Around, down, and out. Good. Say that with me again. Around, down, and out. Now how many cubes do I have? 1, 2, 3. Great job. We have 3 cubes. Remember, it's 1 hump, 2 hump. That's the number 3. Do that again. 1 hump, 2 hump. That's the number 3. Great job. Well, what comes after 3? Let's start counting again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Great job. We have 4 cubes. Now, when I write the number 4, boys and girls, I'm going to tell you what we say. I'm going to start off and make almost a baby L. When I look at the number 4, I see that it looks like a baby L and a line down. So that's what we say. Baby L, line down. Say that with me. Baby L, line down. Good. One more time. Baby L, line down. Well done, boys and girls. All right, well, now we need to figure out what comes after 4 and how do I write that number? This number that comes up next could be quite challenging sometimes to write, so I'm happy we're going to be able to learn it. All right, help me count how many cubes we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent job. So when we say number 5, we say down, down and around and make a hat. Do you see how I said make a hat? Because we go down and around and make a hat. We're putting a hat on top of number 5. Say that with me one more time. Down and around and make a hat. Excellent job. All right, boys and girls, I want to draw something for you. And this is going to be something that you probably have never seen before. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to draw, it looks like this. Well, what does that look like? A rectangle. Good. Now I'm going to put a line through it. Okay. Oh, I made 2 rectangles. Now I'm going to put a line here. And another line here. I feel like this is something I've never seen before. Kind of looks like a chocolate bar almost. Another bar here. And another line here. Boys and girls, this shape right here is called a 10 block. Echo me, 10 block. 10 block, great. The reason why it's called a 10 block is because if I count them, we have 10 blocks. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. This is a 10 block. Say 10 block. Good. We know it's a 10 block because it has 10 blocks in it. Now, when we write our numbers in the 10 block, we always want to start with the first box. So let's write our numbers in here. When we count, and we start with 1. Number 1, line down. Say that. Number 1, line down. 1, 2. Around, down, and out. Say that with me. Around, down, and out. Great. 1, 2, 3. 1 hump, 2 hump. That's the number 3. Say that with me. 1 hump, 2 hump. That's the number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Baby L, line down. Say that with me. Baby L, line down. Great job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down and around and make a hat. Say that with me. Down and around and make a hat. Excellent job, boys and girls. We put 5 numbers in our 10 block. All right, so now we're going to go to our worksheets. You should be looking at a picture that looks just like this. Go ahead, grab your worksheet, your pencil, and your crayon. It was a summer evening, and I was outside playing. When I looked up into the trees, I saw a couple of bees. Can you please help me count how many bees we see? Remember, I like to circle the object to help me count. Go ahead, help me count. Say it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. You do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Go ahead and grab your crayon, whatever color it is. We need to color in 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Okay, now grab your pencil. Let's write the numbers in the boxes. Number 1, line down. 2, around, down, and out. Make sure you're echoing me. Around, down, and out. 3, 1 hump, 2 hump. That's the number 3. 1 hump, 2 hump. That's the number 3. Good. 4, baby L, line down. Baby L, line down. Excellent job. All right, let's count how many bees we see on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You go ahead and do it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We see 5 bees. That means we need to color in 5 boxes. Go ahead, grab your crayon and color in 5 boxes. 1, make sure you're counting with me. 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. All right, grab your pencil now. We're going to write the numbers in there and make sure you're echoing me after I say it. Number 1, line down. 2, around, down, and out. 3, 1 hump, 2 hump. That's the number 3. 4, baby L, line down. 5. Down and around and make a hat. Great job. I love that I can hear you echoing me. All right, go ahead. Flip your papers over. Okay, we're going to do the same exact thing. Can you help me count how many bears we see? 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to hear you counting with me. Go ahead and circle on your own. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Grab your crayon. We see 4 bears. Now we need to color in 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Now grab your pencils and let's write our numbers in. Remember, you have to repeat and echo after me. Number 1, line down. 2, around, down, and out. Around, down, and out. 3, 1 hump, 2 hump. That's the number 3. 1 hump, 2 hump. That's the number 3. 4, baby L, line down. Great job. All right, let's do the next one. Help me count how many strawberries I see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and do it on your own. Circle the strawberries and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 strawberries. That means we need to color in 4 boxes. Go ahead, grab your crayon. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now we need to write our numbers in. Go ahead and grab your pencils. Remember, echo me. Number 1, line down. 2, around, down, and out. I know it looks a little bit bigger. I didn't switch it, sorry. So 1, 2, 3. 1 hump, 2 hump. That's the number 3. 4, baby L, line down. Great job. All right, let's do our last one together. Help me count how many strawberries we see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go ahead and circle and count on your own. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 5 strawberries. That means we need to color in 5 boxes. Go ahead, grab your crayon. 1, 2. Make sure you're coloring in the lines as well. 3, 4, 5. We had 5 strawberries. We needed to color in 5 boxes. All right, let's write the numbers in now. Go ahead and grab your pencil. Echo me. Number 1, line down. 2, around, down, and out. 3, 1 hump, 2 hump. That's the number 3. 4, baby L, line down. 5, down and around and make a hat. Excellent job, boys and girls. So I just want to remind you, we just did the guided practice together. You're responsible for doing the independent practice. You also need to do the back of it, brain builders, my homework. Make sure you're doing my homework. And then that is it. You do not have to do this side of the page because that is for tomorrow. All right, boys and girls, I'll see you tomorrow.